Hey everyone, this is Taz and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna change the old spoiler on my Tesla Model Y. So it's gonna be an upgrade. I'm gonna install a new spoiler that's inspired by Model 3 performance. So this is a real carbon fiber spoiler and this spoiler is from Hansshow. First, I'm going to remove the old spoiler. I'm using a dental floss. You can even use a kitchen twine. So I'm going to slide the floss under the edge of the spoiler. So this sewing motion will cut through the adhesive. We have to be very gentle. The floss did cut off a few times, so I was very careful enough to avoid bending the spoiler or scratching the paint. The floss technique did work. I was able to remove the spoiler. So I'm going to peel off the adhesive, and some of the adhesive is stuck to the trunk lid. So I'm going to use my nail to gently peel it off. Before installing the spoiler, we have to clean and wipe the trunk lid thoroughly. So this will ensure the adhesive sticks well. So I'm going to wipe it sparkly clean. It's time to install the new spoiler. So here's the spoiler from Hansshow, exclusively designed for Model Y. This is gloss finish. They also have matte finish. It has grooves on both the edges. This is much wider, very smooth, and I love the pattern on it, made with real carbon fiber. Look at the weave. It's so premium and pretty lightweight. Here is my old spoiler. It's much thinner and it doesn't have the grooves on the edges. So my new spoiler, it's wider. I'm definitely loving the look of it. It comes with a simple installation manual. Here is the positioning tool. Painter's tape and 3M adhesive are also included. First, we have to do the dry fit. I'm going to use the painter's tape to ensure perfect alignment. Here's what I'm going to do. So stick the painter's tape at the corners of the spoiler. So make it like a V shape. Doing it on the other side as well. This way I can perfectly align the edges of the spoiler. To position the middle part of the spoiler, I stuck a painter's tape and drew lines, making a cut on the tape where the spoiler meets the trunk lid, and take the spoiler off. I have marked the positions for the edges and the middle part and doing a dry fit. So when we ensure the dry fit is perfect, when we keep the spoiler, it will be flawless and there is no room for mistakes. Now we can peel off the adhesive. This is pretty strong, so start from one end and peel it off. And immediately place it on the trunk lid. So follow the positioning and press it down firmly. The spoiler is installed. I'm going to keep more painter's tape throughout the spoiler. So this is to ensure the spoiler stays firm and it's intact. We have to wait for 24 hours before we take the tape off. It's been 24 hours. It's a bright sunny day today. So I'm going to remove all the tape from the spoiler. Look at the spoiler, it's incredible and definitely giving my Tesla a sporty look. This is definitely a sleek upgrade. 2025 Model Y Juniper will likely have this spoiler because this is the exact spoiler on Model 3 Highland Performance. Installation of the spoiler is pretty straightforward and super easy. So it's a perfect fit and it's exclusively designed for Tesla Model Y. The old spoiler I had, it was a bit narrow, but this one, it's much wider and it has grooves on the edges. So it's definitely giving that sporty appearance. The key feature of this spoiler is aerodynamic performance. So it improves the airflow over the rear of the vehicle. So it's definitely a blend of style and aerodynamics. Also, this spoiler is designed to increase downforce over the rear, hence it improves stability, especially during high-speed driving, and there is improved efficiency by reducing drag. So all this will result in potential increase in Tesla's range. We gotta keep in mind While driving in the city, we might not notice much difference. However, out on the highway, especially during those long road trips, we're going to appreciate this spoiler. There will be increased stability. So this is definitely a functional upgrade and looks stylish. So if you're looking to upgrade the spoiler on your Tesla Model Y, I highly recommend the spoiler, and you can use my code TAS and you can save 25%. So this is a special Black Friday deal. Here are some of my favorite Tesla accessories from Hansshow. I highly recommend these products. So here's the electric retractable roof sunshade. Here is the FY9C head-up display featuring CarPlay. And here is the rechargeable phone mount. For Black Friday, Hansshow is having lightning deals. So all the products on Hansshow, they are having great deals, and use my code TAS. You will get 25% off on all the products on Hansshow. So I'll post the link in the description below. Check that out. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more Tesla videos. Until then, take care everyone, and bye.